this is Ieasha of Winter Holiday Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back. Well, I am super excited because I am participating in a collaboration. The host of this collaboration is Grace of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so she reached out to me as well as several other ladies, and she asked us if we would decorate a lantern. All right, so I'm going to be looking down at my phone just to make sure I get everything right, okay? It's a freestyle collaboration. It's called Decorating a Lantern. It's an open invite. So if you would like to participate, make sure you go ahead and upload your video of you decorating a lantern. You can decorate it any way that you like. And it's for the holidays. So you can decorate it for fall, winter, you know, it's totally up to you. All right. So the co-hosts are myself, Ieasha of Winter Holiday Designs by Ieasha, Amethyst Adventures, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Debbie Bubbles, The Rogers House, Lady Cinnamon, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and of course the host, which is Grace of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so I have some things here that I'm going to be decorating. Well, my lantern, and I have some different items or decor that I'm going to be using. I have this greenery. I have more than this, y'all. I'm just showing it. All right, so I have a lot of different greenery I'm going to be using. I have made this bow. All right, so as you see, I'm going to be decorating for the fall. And I also have this beautiful flower here. Just have to fluff it a little bit. And I think this is called a, I think it's a magnolia, but it's a, it's like a rose gold color. And I actually had all of these in a wreath that I had made a couple of years ago that I put outside of my door. And I'm going to be using these because I absolutely love it. And all of these little flowers and decor pieces here came from Hobby Lobby. And these were, had these now for maybe 2 to 3 years. So I always repurpose and reuse what I have. All right, so I'm going to be using this lantern here. And this lantern is red. All right, so I'm going to be using this lantern. And I also have this candle that I'm going to be including on the inside of the lantern. All right, remember, lanterns can be used for anything. It can be used for a wedding. It can be used for dinner parties, pretty much any event that you want it for, all right, or to decorate your home. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, everyone, so here is my flower and my ribbon, and I'm just gonna attach it, kind of put my flower here in the middle, just like this. I absolutely love it that way. So I'm going to take it and just wrap it on the back side of this ribbon, as you see in the back. And I have a Chanel stem here when I did the bow. So I'm just gonna take it and kind of wrap it a little bit, just so when I put it inside the lantern here, it'll stay. All right, and just fluff everything out that needs to be fluffed. All right. Uh-oh, I hope you can see. Just like this. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this in and just put it here. I'm gonna see if it fit in one of these little holes here in the lantern. And it did, as you see. So I'm just gonna open the lantern and just take it and just pull it a little bit and tighten it up under there so that it will not come loose or fall. All right, and as you see, it stayed. I hope that y'all can see what I'm doing here. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of take this and just curl it a little bit, just like so. And then you can go back and just fluff your ribbon the way you like it, okay, to your liking. All right, so I'm just gonna play around with my leaves here on my flower, get it all cute. All right, my little middle part here. All right, so I have some greenery, and I may add a little greenery in because, you know, during the fall season, you have greenery. So I'm just going to take it and just place it just like this. I'm gonna see how that looks. I think I'm gonna take that out. I don't want that. So I'm just gonna leave that like so. All right, so I think I'm gonna add one of these little cute little balls here. And I think I'm gonna see if I can add it right up in here somewhere. All right, let's see if it's an opening, a spot for me to add it. Yeah, right here. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look. Super cute. I am loving it already. All right, it's gonna look so good in the area that I'm gonna put it. Just gonna do like that. Flip it out and straighten it out a little bit. Looks right now. All right, you see those beautiful balls here. All right. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I have this candle, which is white, and I'm just gonna place this candle, pull it down so you can see. Place this candle on the inside of my base, just like this. All right, so I'm going to place the greenery around on the inside of around the candle. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it and kind of attach it together just like this. Just kind of make it round so that it go around it. Let's see. I'm gonna take the candle out. I'm just gonna add some greenery in here. Just like this. Okay, got some more that I can add here. All right, toward the back. All right, so I have another one of the flowers that I'm going to add in the inside. I'm going to see how it looks, okay? So let's just see how it looks in here. I'm going to fold the back of it up here, the ends of it. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put, I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my candle and just place it here. As you see how I did the greenery, I'm gonna show you better once I finish. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna take this flower and I'm just gonna place it right here. I think I'm gonna do it this side of the candle, and I'm just going to kind of place it a little bit because this is just used for decoration. I'm not going to light the candle or anything in here, and if I do decide it, I think I might switch it out for one of those candles that the battery operated candle, because this is the one that you have to it's not a battery operated candle. All right, so I absolutely love this. If you can see it how I did it, I'm going to show you a closer look. All right, and I don't know if I'm going to add, let me see how this looks with that. I don't think I'm going to add this. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like this. I absolutely love it. Okay, all right, so let me show you what I have done. Let me give you a closer look. All right, everyone, so here's my lantern, and I showed you how I decorated it and the items that I used. I absolutely love this. As you see, these beautiful, I call them little round balls. I'm not sure what the name of them, but they are beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. As you see, all the little crystals that's on them. All right, and there's my bow that I tied, my ribbon, and here's my flower right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And coming on down, I added the candle. Let me open it up. I added the candle on the inside as well as the greenery that's around here, and I added my other same little flower at the top that's at the top here. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go over to the other co-host channel as well as the host's channel. Check out their videos. All right. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.